Hi, I'm Patrick from DocPro. We are the exclusive distributors of CanDoc modular floating systems for sub-Saharan Africa and associated island groups. This is a CanDoc cleat and is used to moor your boat alongside one of our jetties. Our cleats are made of high-density polyurethane resin and come standard with the white nut. They can be attached at any point around a jetty and replaces the external lug connector joining two cubes together. The quantity needed and placement is dependent on the length of your boat. Your DocPro representative would be able to advise you if you are unsure. To install a cleat, you will need the supplied key for nut or ratchet key for nut tool. The cleat is inserted from the top and the white nut from below along the perimeter of your system. First, you will align the notches of the cleat with the notches on the tabs of the cubes. You are then going to push down Locating tabs hold the cleat in place while the nut is tightened with a key for nut. Please note, on the breather side of the system, you will see there's a space between the number 1 and number 4 tabs. We will place 2 spaces in this gap before we insert the cleat and tighten the nut.